everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day number 22 of Jenny's countdown to Christmas. We are getting so close to the end, you guys. We just have a couple more days left. Here is what day number 22 looks like. Okay, let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, it's a book. And my very first Chuck sticker. I've never had a Chuck sticker before. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is the 2025 Jenny's Box Flat Chuck. It says, shh, Chuck is ready to get lost in Hilary Doan Sperry's brand new book. Okay, spoiler alert. How about you? The special flat Chuck is here to be your reading buddy and can even double as a cute bookmark. Tuck him between the pages, take him along to your favorite reading nook, and snap a pic to share your literary and quilty adventures. Happy reading. How cute and cozy does Chuck look? Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And as promised, on the back of Chuck, we have the new book here. This is by Hilary Doan Sperry, a Missouri Star mystery. It says Handmade Mysteries. How fun is that? Oh my gosh, this is so fun. It feels really nice quality too. Okay, it says quilts tell stories of warmth, tradition, and sometimes deadly secrets. In this cozy mystery anthology, quilting expert Jenny Doan stitches together past and present, unraveling tangled truths hidden within heirloom fabrics. In mystery in the old quilt. Okay, so apparently there's another book as well. In Mystery in the Old Quilt, a treasured quilt reveals more than just beautiful stitches. It holds a message from the past, and to keep it buried, someone is willing to kill. And in Bound in Secrets and Lies, a missing heirloom quilt unravels a decades-old secret that threatens to upend everything Jenny thought she knew about trust, betrayal, and the ties that bind. With a close-knit circle of quilting friends, a dash of humor, and a thread of suspense, Handmade Mysteries is a heartwarming collection of whodunits perfect for fans and small-town cozies, vintage charm, and crafty twists. Includes 2 original quilt block patterns to sew along with the stories. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. What an awesome gift. And it's the perfect season to read as well. This is so funny. Okay, so they're calling this a merry-go-round quilt. I actually have a quilt pattern called the Twisted Knot Block, which is literally the exact same thing for free on our website, actually. So that's really funny. It's just a really popular pattern, kind of like a Celtic design. So that's fine. I don't think anybody really owns the block. So it looks like we have clues along the way as to what these quilt blocks will be and their subsequent full quilt patterns. Let's see what else we've got. Number 2. Okay, I wonder how many clues there are. Kudos to Hilary for thinking of this concept. I think it's a really unique, fun way to interact with a book, right? To be able to break it down and get to sew a little bit along the way and then have this final piecing at the very end where you can form a quilt. I just think that's a really neat idea that she had. So let me know what you guys think down below. I think it's great to gift as well, actually. So I will see you tomorrow for day number 23. Bye, everybody.